On the philosophical inquiry starts with the premises, who am I and who are you? From where from you and I have come. For this elastic question, which the human mind tries to unravel, Adi Shankara has given sufficient answers for us to bring over, for us to ponder over, for us to reflect, and for us to move on from that enlightenment. I am going to read before you a few stanzas from Bhajagovindam and stanzas from Nirvana Shankam, where Adi Shankara, in clear terms, spells out who am I, and in fact, where is the human being, where from he has come, and what is he finally. Let us listen to the intent and purport of these slokas. Kaha tvam, kaha aham, kutaha ayataha, kame jhanani, kome mata. Iti bhavibhavaya sarvamasaram vishwam tyaktva swapna vicharam. Who am I and who are you? What is the place from which I come? Who is my mother? Who is my sire? Pondering thus, perceive them all as fancies only, without substance. Give up the world as an ideal dream. Worship Govinda, worship Govinda. Rules of grammar profit nothing once the hour of death draws near. Let us go into Nirvana Shankam. Mano buddhi ahankara chittana naham. Mano buddhi ahankara chittani naham. Na karnam, na jihva, na cha prana netre. Na cha vyoma bhumir, na tejo, na vayu. Chidhananda rupa shivoham shivoham. Na cha prana sabhyau, na vai panchavayu. Na va saptabdhartu, na va panchakoshaha. Na va panipadau, na chopastapayu. Chidhananda rupa शिवोहम शिवोहम न मे द्वेष राघौ न मे लोभमोहौ मधो नैव मे नैव मात्सर्य भाव न धर्मो न चार्तो न कामो न मोक्ष चिदानंद रूप शिवोहम शिवोहम न पुण्यम न पापम न सौख्यम न दुःखम न मंत्रो न तीर्थम न वेदा न यज्ञ अहम भोजनम नैव भोज्यम न भोक्ता चिदानंद रूप शिवोहम शिवोहम न मृत्यु न शंका न मे जाति भेद पिता नैव मे नैव माता च जन्म न बंधु न मित्रम गुरु नैव शिष्य चिदानंद रूप शिवोहम शिवोहम अहम निर्विकल्पो निराकार रूपे अहम निर्विकल्पो निराकार रूपो विवित्वाच सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां न चासंगतं नैव मुक्तिर्न बन्धः चिदानंद रूप शिवोहम शिवोहम. Ultimately, Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi. You, the Daharakasha, you find the Brahman in yourself. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.